In the ever-connected world of e-commerce, shipping from China to Pakistan can be a daunting task. But fear not. This video will guide you through the cheapest and fastest ways to get your products from the bustling factories of China to the bustling markets of Pakistan. When purchasing wholesale, you have three main shipping options: express cargo, air freight, and sea freight. Each has its pros and cons, and the best choice will depend on your unique needs. Express cargo is the quickest, delivering your goods in under 7 days. However, speed comes with a price tag, making this method the most expensive. Next up, air freight, a balance between speed and cost. It's more economical for shipments worth between $2,500 and $3,000. Despite being 30 to 40% cheaper than express, it does require a bit more paperwork and logistics. Last but not least, sea freight. For shipments over $3,000+, this is the most affordable option. You pay a flat rate for a 20 or 40-foot container, and you can fill it to the brim. However, shipping times are significantly longer, and you'll need to hire a customs agent and arrange for transportation from the port to your warehouse. Now let's talk about time. Express cargo gets your goods to Pakistan in less than 7 days, air freight averages a week, and sea freight can take anywhere from 35 to 50 days. In the end, the choice is yours. Depending on your budget, how quickly you need your products, and how much you're willing to handle in terms of logistics, one of these methods will be right for you. Remember, the world of e-commerce is at your fingertips, and with the right shipping method, the sky's the limit.